last Saturday, Sunday. Our team went out for a fight. Anshuman was there, he was fighting in MMA. Sahil. Adi. Vibor. Srinath sir. Aryan. Rudra. And Pranad. So yeah, आगे के वीडियो में I'm not gonna break down the fights, but सबके results कैसे रहे, performance कैसे रहा, like that video, and सारी चीज़ें मैं आपको information दे दूँगा. Alright guys, so बहुत दिनों से ऐसे वीडियो बनाने का सोच रहा था, but again procrastination, but I'm finally here. I'll be uploading lots of videos like this on P-Town Western my channel. Last Saturday, Sunday, our team went out for a fight. Local tournament था, Warrior Dream Series वाला मुंबई में. So हमारा टीम सारा टीम वहाँ पे गया था. So बहुत लोग लड़ रहे थे वहाँ पे. Anshuman was there, he was fighting in MMA. Then Sahil fight कर रहा था, Adi fight कर रहा था. Vibor was gonna compete in MMA. उसके अलावा श्रीनाथ सर थे. And K1 में we had around 5 guys. उसमें आर्यन, अक्षय, प्रनाद, रुद्रप्रिय एंड आरव. आई थिंक आरव हेगड़े एंड अक्षय डिड नॉट गेट एनी फाइट, बट आर्यन, रुद्र एंड प्रनाद, दीज 3 दे कम्पीटेड इन K1 किक बॉक्सिंग और बाकी के सारे MMA में थे. एंड अमरजा शी वॉज ऑल्सो सपोज टू कम्पीट, बट आई थिंक उसके वेट में कोई बंदी नहीं मिली उसको, सो उनका फाइट नहीं हुआ. सो या आगे के वीडियो में I'm not gonna break down the fights, but सबके रिजल्ट कैसे रहे, परफॉर्मेंस कैसे रहा, ब्रेक डाउन दोस लाइक दैट वीडियो, एंड सारी चीज़ें मैं आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन दे दूँगा. So like recalling back to the event, I don't remember like किसका fight ऐसे लाइन में था, but yeah when we went over there सारे लोगों ने सही से वेट दिया, वेट का दिक्कत किसी को नहीं हुआ. I think first fight K1 का था and I decided not to corner any of the guys because again amateur fights है, and not that कि मुझे corner नहीं करना था, but I just wanted to experience the fight from the stands जैसे फैन लोग experience करते हैं वैसे. I think first fight was Pranad's fight, K1 का fight था उसका. Talking about his fight, as far as I recall, he pretty much dominated the first 2 rounds. Very clinical striking, but under 18 होने के कारण I think head kicks allowed नहीं थे. So he had really great head kicks, and उसके पहले हमने रात में प्लान किए थे कि you will throw a lot of head kicks. So he was chopping really nice, like setting up his head kicks really nice. His head kicks are super fast. बंदे को सामने वाले दिख नहीं रहे थे, but again referee stopped him in mid fight and then said कि head kicks are not allowed. But again, he dominated those first 2 rounds. Punching exchanges were really good, and at the same time, he was utilizing his kicks. I think spinning back kick वगैरह भी use कर रहा था. But overall, the first 2 rounds he pretty much dominated, and in the 3rd round he got gassed out, and the opponent pretty much came up on him, but he successfully managed to defend himself and get the fight in his decision. I think it was a split decision. But I don't know how come it was a split decision. It should have been a unanimous decision. But overall, I mean, happy with the result because Pranad is what 16, 17 years old, and it was his first fight. So good experience for him, and particularly in K1. Eventually, he'll be making his switch to MMA as well because as of now he only trains thrice in a week kickboxing. So yeah, that was Pranad's fight. And दूसरा fight था Rudra का. Now this fight I was pretty much excited about because again, watching Rudra fight is like from a fan's perspective, it's really amazing because he's like pretty confident when he walks into the cage or the ring. He has like good hands as well. So K1 के लिए I was pretty much excited like for his particular match, and I think he dominated his opponent from starting to end. Again, we are looking for like good tough competitions. But Rudra का ये kind of second MMA like second K1 था. They don't allow him to compete in MMA because he's under 18 and he's like 15 years old. तो सामने वाला भी I think 16-17 साल का था and he was 15 years old. But again, age यहाँ पे let's cut out the age part. His style and the way we decided how you're gonna fight, he fought completely like that, very calm and not rushing to finish the opponent. Picking one single shot at a time. We decided that only कि if you want a good finish, don't hit punches in bunches. Hit one shot, see if it's landing, and go for like maybe maximum 3 punch combo. Setting up the kicks as well. Kicks के बाद में फिर punches या फिर punches के बाद में kicks आएंगे. So that's how exactly we decided his game plan. And yeah, he was very calm, like punches मार के वापस पीछे आना, see what the reaction opponent is giving, and after that trying to go for a finish. So pretty much first two rounds he dominated. Second round के end में he hit him with a very nice I think left kick to the body. Fight उधर ही ख़त्म होने वाली थी, but I think time ख़त्म हो गया, 2 मिनट के round थे K1 के. And again when he came out guns blazing in the third round and hit him with a really good knee, which ended up in a TKO finish for Rudra. So overall good performance. Like watching him fight, मुझे definitely like James की याद आई, because the way he was fighting was like really similar to James' style, like hands down. So like if you are recently been watching MMA, you pretty much know Sugar Sean O'Malley, right? So James used to fight just like that. So Rudra का style, posture, the way of throwing kicks, even talking with the opponent, सारा James की चीज़ें याद दिला रहा था. If you guys do know who James is, so yeah, that was a very emotional moment for me as well, because I wasn't in the corner. I was kind of enjoying the fight from the stands, me and Adi. So yeah, it was fun. Rudra's fight was fun as well. And third fight of the day was Aryan's fight. It was a K1 fight again, third fight. And when it comes to Aryan, he's had back-to-back 2 losses. Like I think he's so far competed in 6 or 7 fights. He's won I think around 3 to 4 fights उसने जीता है, but last के 2 losses हुए उसको back to back. Again बहुत सारे reasons थे, no good training camps, but plus at the same time every time he faced a grappler, so like he couldn't do his striking, right? तो yeah, K1 में लड़ रहा था because he had a hand injury, तो कुछ fingers का injury था, तो MMA नहीं लड़ रहा था, K1 लड़ रहा था. But again this fight was kind of really important for him because he wanted to get off that loss, that 2 loss का skid जो था उससे बाहर आना था उसे.
Hard work is over. Now it's time for the fun part.
So his fight was against a good opponent, मतलब skill wise ठीक ठाक था, but Aryan pretty much executed the game plan really nice. Like our play calls were really good. जो भी हम लोग चिल्ला रहे थे बाहर से, Adi and me. So we had these are different play calls. So he executed them really nice. And he went on 3 rounds, won via unanimous decision. But बढ़िया मैच था उसका, like skillfully he was able to perform. Like he जो भी हमने decide किया था सारे चीज़ें उसने सही से execute किए. When it comes to punches, kicks, knees, clinch, and उसके अलावा our play calls as well. So whatever, like play calls के बारे में तो इतना बात नहीं करूँगा because that's a secret thing when it comes to our P-Town West MMA team. But yeah, बस head kicks उसको land करना था, and he was in, like both were in close stance. So I was like shouting on him कि भाई stance switch कर ले, like go into open stance so that you could have landed that left head kick really nice. But again मैं corner में नहीं था, couldn't deliver the message to him. Overall good performance, not that bad, but yeah, could have been done greater. But again, a win is a win. We count that as a win and a good thing to get back in the win column after those last 2 losses for Aryan. So yeah, that's what the day 1 was. Day 1 was only K1 fights. सबने बढ़िया performance किया. And I think apart from that, मोहसिन सर के भी 2 PTs जो उनको train कराते हैं, मोहसिन सर, they are hobbyists. उनमें का केशव, he played really fantastic. Like बढ़िया fight था उसका, बढ़िया overall good fight from Keshav, really composed. And the most important part about those guys were like they were hobbyists. उसमें का I think Keshav won, the other guy lost. I don't know his name, but Keshav, he really was calm and composed, and most importantly he was enjoying the fight. The guy in front of him was like all jacked and coming guns blazing on him, but Keshav ने बहुत बढ़िया like calm रखा उसका, and then jab up, jab down, and then उसके बाद combo throw करना. It was really like on paper it was like very disciplined performance. Like punches भी उसके बहुत बढ़िया जा रहे थे, basic setups like jab up, jab down, then up 1-2, the hooks बढ़िया थे उसके. So yeah, that was day 1. We were pretty much excited for day 2 as well, because day 2 was Anshuman, Sahil, Srinath's MMA tournament day. So yeah, we were pretty much excited for day 2 as well. Coming back to day 1, Srinath also had his MMA fight. He competed in a tournament, and उनका tournament structure था, he was supposed to play like around 3 fights in 2 days. तो उनको पहला मैच तो उनको बाय मिल गया, and then second match भी उनको बाय मिल गया. But then the moment he came out, these guys on spot they decided a fight for him.
मेरा इस साल का टारगेट है मिनिमम 20 फाइट खेलना है. थांबूगा?
थांब. श्रीनाथ ना?
हाँ.
श्रीनाथ. ये देवांश.
आए. दूसरा फाइट देता है? दूसरा दे रहा है.
ठीक है, लेट्स गो.
ओके अच्छे फाइट मिल गया. बट उसका क्या है वेट, किसको
क्या कर रहे हैं, लड़ा भाई किसी से लड़ा, कोई भी रहा है कॉर्नर वगैरह लेके आ.
ओके वी गोना फाइट अगेन.
The guy was pretty bigger than Srinath, probably 70-75 kilos, and Srinath was competing at 66. उसका weight तो आया था around 69 तक, 68-69 तक. So we decided, okay, let's compete. क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है, right? So Srinath, he's our striking coach, pretty good at Muay Thai, very long sharp kicks, like very he's got good speed in his kicks as well, and the game plan was simple for him: strike. So they started exchanging, and Srinath hit him with a really good cross and got reckless, tried to finish him on the cage, and all of a sudden he goes for a single leg takedown, lifts him up, brings him into the corner जहाँ पे मैं खड़ा था, and says कि भाई अब क्या करूँ? I was like, finish via ground and pound, because you are supposed to play a tournament, finish the fight as soon as possible. So it's like, yeah, he started doing ground and pound, and I think the guy at the end of the round, the guy took him, catch him into a triangle. तो भाई ने उठा के पूरा स्लैम कर दिया. Again, grappling endurance is different, striking endurance is way too different, and he got super tired in the first round itself, because again he did missed his camp, ज़्यादा training नहीं किया, only trained in the last 2 weeks of the camp. And yeah, when the second round started, did a silly mistake, ended up giving us back because again he was tired. And got finished by RNC. So when it comes to his fights, I've got no complaint, because आने वाले पूरे साल में we have set him up a really nice goal that wins and losses in amateur they won't count. We are only getting experience. आने वाले साल में पूरा around 20 fights करना है. So उसने I think कल एक fight किया, and still remaining 19 fights to go. And how many months we have left? We have around only 10 months, I think 8 months left in this year. So hopefully 8 महीने में वो कम से कम 19 बार तो लड़ लेगा. So the whole point is to give him as much amateur experience as we can, and then we sign him up for a pro fight. और फिर जब pro fight आते हैं तो definitely we will work on very specific things when it comes to the game plans, grappling, anti-grappling, scrimmage wrestling, all that stuff, right? So yeah, when it comes to his performance, I don't have much to say. He enjoyed the fight, he did good in round 1. But yeah, for me to learn out of this was like, you fight like you train. So आप जैसे ट्रेनिंग में रहते हो, जिस तरीके का ट्रेनिंग करते हो, उसी तरीके का आके आप फाइट लड़ते हो. You can't be reckless over there, you can't push your pace all of a sudden. GSP जैसे बोलता है, I forgot that name, but you have to maintain that gas tank as well, right? So accordingly you have to push, because कितना भी skillful opponent रहने दो, अगर उसका gas tank ही खत्म हो गया तो he can't do anything. So that was one thing to like take away from those 2 days, was the way you train is the way you fight. So अगर आप chill train कर रहे हो, you are just focusing on positioning, like control पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दे रहे हो, not being too reckless, not trying to finish fights like Khamzat, and you are trying to be, you know, like step by step. अगर आपका game यहाँ पे train कर रहे हो, you can't be reckless like Khamzat, as simple as that. So he did the complete opposite. We wanted him to preserve his endurance, but then he threw kitchen sink at the guy and went crazy like Khamzat in the first round, ended up gassing himself, and then lost in the second round. So yeah, not much to say. Overall good first round, but yeah, we lost. Yeah, so coming to day two I was pretty excited because it was Anshuman's debut fight, and a lot of people, they have high hopes from him. He's the youngest guy over here in the roster. वो 17 साल का है. Even Rudra, he's 15 years old. So a lot of people, they have good high hopes from him. So out of these 3 people, like 4 people, Amarja, Rudra, and Anshuman, and Sahil, whoever gets first in the UFC, they get a कौन सी चाहिए?
Mustang GT, you had said, right?
What?
Mustang GT.
Yeah, तेरे को कौन सी चाहिए?
कोई भी.
बढ़िया, Mustang GT, जो पहले UFC में सिर्फ जाएगा, not even a champion. Yeah, he qualifies too.
मोस्टली तो अच्छा ही करेगा, उसका टेक डाउन एंट्री वो सब अच्छा है, स्ट्राइकिंग भी अच्छा है, फोड़ देगा. वैसे तो उसके लिए इजी है, ये रोज करता है. एक बार नीचे गया अपोनेंट तो ख़त्म ही है. देखते हैं क्या करेगा. पहला राउंड तो रीड करेगा.
Do you have any message for him? This is first MMA fight, debut कर रहा है.
कुछ नहीं, काम रहे, जाप फोड़ दे, मज़े के लिए खेल, कुछ सोच मत, बस.
Any predictions?
प्रेडिक्शंस हार्ड है यार, इसका गेम थोड़ा इसके मूड पे डिपेंड करता है, इसको सबमिट करना है या फिर ग्राउंड एंड पाउंड करना है. मोस्टली तो ग्राउंड एंड पाउंड से फिनिश करेगा लग रहा है मुझे.
See, we know कि he can get a first round submission, but we want to see him knock his opponent out because we know he can do that as well. Looking into the future, how should this fight go? First round he'll grapple and hold control. Second round he'll either get TK or knockout. This is for him, Chama.
वो मुझे पता है, ग्रैपलिंग में अंशुमन के आगे कोई नहीं है, ये उसके डिवीज़न में यहाँ पे कोई भी नहीं है ग्रैपलिंग में. बस इसलिए उसको बोल रहा कि तू ग्रैपलिंग मत कर, स्ट्राइकिंग कर, स्ट्राइकिंग से अपने को मैच निकालना है. बस वही फिर चाहे तो 3 राउंड खेलने पड़े खेलो, लास्ट 3 राउंड के हाफ मैच में देन ही कैन गो फॉर ग्रैपलिंग अगर स्ट्राइकिंग में फिनिश नहीं हुआ तो, बट फुल टाइम उसको स्ट्राइकिंग पे ही रखने वाला हो.
These guys, they are training really nice. Like they train hard. They show up every day. That's the like most important part. Like showing up every day. So second day पे Anshuman was gonna fight in MMA. Adi was supposed to fight. I think Adi का ये third fight था. And Vibhor was also gonna be making his debut. And at the same time Sahil Uchiha वो भी उसका debut करने वाला था. So I was pretty excited to see how these guys they compete. Sahil yeah, I'll come to Sahil's fight as well, but yeah, ये 4 लोग लड़ने वाले थे second day पे. So starting off with Anshuman's fight, Anshuman was supposed to fight some boxer. He was a basic MMA, मतलब MMA ही उसका game था. And if so far as much as I recall, he started off the round in striking exchanges and went on to cage wrestle with him and striking करते करते I think cage पे चला गया. Then he went for a double leg takedown, left him up and then slammed him towards our corner के पास आया था. Again in this fight I wasn't cornering him because मुझे उसका fight देखना था neutral इसमें से. Srinath and Rudra they were cornering him and I think he started ground and pound थोड़ा सा, came on mount and then initially he wanted to go for a triangle but again the guy started punching so he switched instead and went for an armbar. So it was a pretty easy fight for him. First round finished. Good grappling skills and I wish और थोड़ा उसका 2-3 fight हो जाता but मतलब और 2-3 round उसको चल जाता because the most important part over here in the amateur is to gain experience and not just finish fights early because again amateur में mostly होता है क्या है fights में skill discrepancy बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. कभी कभार आपको बहुत ज़्यादा skill वाले opponent मिल जाएंगे या फिर कभी कभार आपको आपके skill के बहुत नीचे opponent मिल जाएंगे. It's very rare in amateur fights that you get opponents of the same caliber where you are able to showcase your skills. So yeah, if you ever get any opponent who has like lesser skill, less strength than you, so try not to finish them in first round. Just go check yourself, use grappling, use striking, use ground and pounds from different positions, and then eventually if you want to go for submission you can go for submission as well. So that's what I wanted from Anshuman's fight, but again he got a first round armbar finish, very good clinical armbar, and after a while we saw that like these guys like the committee of Warrior Dream series, they were offering second fight as well to multiple people. So we just asked that can he get a second fight. Fortunately he had an opponent like एक बंदा था ready. He was actually weighing around 73 उसका कुछ तो catch weight bout था, but again उसका weight कुछ around 75 के आसपास रहेगा when he was competing. अंशुमन भी 70 पे था, उसका obviously अंशुमन का भी बड़ा रहेगा. So there was weight difference and we took the fight. Now his second fight was really beautiful because again skill level में बहुत difference था. The Anshuman was way above than when it comes to the skill part, be it grappling or striking. So initially Anshuman started striking and the guy decided to go and grapple him. So उसने clinch पकड़ा. So on the cage Anshuman was उसका back cage पे था and उसने बढ़िया setup किया. He baited the opponent and then went for a decent reversal of Uchimata. And half guard में फंसा था बहुत देर के लिए. He did good ground and pound. I think starting में he tried attacking Anaconda and like Das vice versa, but the guy was defended really well, extended his arms, and Anshuman couldn't get a front headlock finish. His front headlocks are really good, तो वो उसको तो मिला नहीं, but he started throwing some knees when he had that head control. And again amateur fight था तो knees weren't allowed when it comes to the amateur fight. So knees to the body to a grounded opponent weren't allowed. Then second round में he did striking, reversals again, did good ground and pound as well. ज़्यादा याद में नहीं है मुझे वो fight, but I think I'll थोड़े clips डालता हूँ मैं. But I think I remember the third round vividly.
Easy fight.
Because again, we started off the third round strong, and Anshuman spent most of the time on the back in second round. So we started saying that back se triangle maar le. So he's got his very own submission, where he comes, puts his one leg around your neck and one leg from the armpit obviously, and just rolls down his back onto the mat and goes for a triangle. So we told him to try that. So he was gonna try that, but again the guy was like defending nice. He was trying to do his front rolls, escapes. So he ended up on mount, started ground and pounding, and he finished via a triangle choke, a very clinical triangle choke. So again, both of his fights went super nice, and he's a very good upcoming young talent coming from like the homegrown Indian MMA. सो ही समवन यू शुड वॉच फॉलो. उसका इंस्टाग्राम भी मैं यहाँ पे डाल दूंगा. गो फॉलो एंड सपोर्ट द बॉय. एंड अंशुमन का पहला हुआ, फिर आदि का फाइट हुआ और फिर उसके बाद अंशुमन का हुआ. अगेन आदि इस फाइट के लिए व्हाट हैपेंड इज वी वेंट आउट टू मोहसिन हाउस. मोहसिन सर नेरुल में रहते हैं. वी वेंट आउट टू हिज हाउस, हिज प्लेस, एंड बिरयानी खिला दी मोहसिन सर ने सबको.
वो वॉइस और में आ गया.
मोहसिन भाई अंदर है. मोहसिन भाई ने बिरयानी का पेज बनाया है. इट्स क्रेजी. देख लो सब लोग.
Which?
बढ़िया वेज बिरयानी है ना.
नहीं.
आप भी बोलो ना प्राणा.
आज मेरी फाइट है और अगर मैं फाइट जीता इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. माय स्किल्स डोंट मैटर. आज की बिरयानी
आंटी की आज की बिरयानी.
आंटी की बिरयानी विल बी द रीजन आई विन.
आदि का फाइट था 29 एंड ऑन 25th फाइट आदि यूट्यूब पे देख रहे हैं हम सब लोग. एंड ही वाज हैविंग बिरयानी. सो इट्स लाइक सुपर क्रेजी मोमेंट. तो इमीडिएटली रश किए एंड देन ही विदाउट इवन बेसिक लाइक वार्म अप. अगेन बहुत हीट था वहाँ पे, बट अगेन वी हैव टू ओपन अप आवर जॉइंट्स एंड स्ट्रेच, राइट.
मैंने सी.
तो घुस गया अंदर एंड देन द गाय स्टार्टेड पुशिंग पेस ऑन हिम. गुड फाइटर, डिसेंट स्किल वाइज, बट अगेन आदि's jiu-jitsu was too much for him and आदि डिसाइडेड टू पुश पेस. बट जैसे पेस पुश कर रहा था उसका सब खाना ऊपर आ रहा था, उल्टी जैसे हो रहा था. सो फाइटर बोले जा रहा था कि मेरे को उल्टी जैसे हो रहा है करके. But then he controlled again. So I think first round Adi dominated, decent striking, good grappling, and second round में I don't recall much, but second round में he almost got a triangle finish, armbar finish, but he couldn't finish him. Head control नहीं रखा उसने triangle के time पे. He was shouting from behind कि head control कर ले. But apart from that, third round में भी again he was totally gassed out, but somehow managed just because of his jiu-jitsu and wrestling. He managed to control the guy, went for again triangles, arm bars, couldn't finish, but ended up winning a unanimous decision. So overall, it could have been a greater fight. He could have got a finish, but again, as a coach, I'm more happy that he went to all this like brutal 3 rounds. क्योंकि उसको ground and pound भी solid पड़ा. When Adi got a triangle, the guy was hitting right on his face, so he got some bruises and cuts. But again, I'm more happy because he went 3 rounds. क्योंकि वो experience is what matters. Like without taking much unnecessary damage, experience लेना आना चाहिए आपको amateur fights में. So आदि का fight भी बढ़िया था. He got his unanimous decision win. Again उसने last fight उसका हार गया था. So this fight was kind of comeback for him, personal for him. All his friends were there. His father was also in his corner. So super proud moment for Adi as well. उसके बाद विभोर and Sahil, then it all became like chaos. So people were taking care of Adi. Then immediately Sahil went in. I think Vibhor went in. Vibhor, उसका fight, I think it was against a good experienced guy. But Vibhor has got good Muay Thai skills, grappling decent है उसका. And all of a sudden Vibhor started trading heavy punches. And उसमें I think he put an overhand मारा उसका और विभोर का forearm उसके I think head पे connect हुआ. The guy did not wobbled, but the force was so much कि वो forearm से ही बंदा 2-3 स्टेप पीछे जाके केज पे गिर गया. So this उसने इतना फोर्स के साथ पंच थ्रो किया था. But what happened in that exchange is he dislocated his shoulder. So again he tried, but he ended up tapping because obviously shoulder निकला था. So a good decision again to not continue to fight, because why take so much damage in an amateur fight where you are just going to end up getting a certificate and a 200 rupees medal, right? So Vibhor came out, we tried to set up his shoulder, so it was chaos again. Adi over there, Vibhor taking care of Vibhor, and all of a sudden Sahil is fighting. So Sahil went in again. His game plan, he's been only training here since what 5-6 months, so his striking isn't that developed yet, and he was a very like raw material when he came at the academy. So started off with like the guy threw a leg kick and Sahil just like got super nervous and super panicked. He's good skillfully, like when it comes to grappling he's strong, he's learning new stuff as well, but striking पे उसे काम करना था. But the game plan in this match was simple: just go on the ground, dominate on the ground, probably end up getting an arm triangle finish or something like that, and just take less damage and come back. Because again, like he is a middleweight, big guy, right? So if he exchanges punches, the chances of getting knocked out were like, the chances of getting finished were there. But again, because of that leg kick, Sahil completely, froze and started standing and banging with the guy in pocket. तो उसमें the other guy clipped him on the nose and he started bleeding heavily. Doctor came in. Doctor आने के बाद उसको कट पे थोड़ा सा Vaseline वगैरह लगाया. But then again, Sahil started immediately striking with him, stand and bang in the pocket. And again, his back was on the cage, so I was shouting कि भाई wrestle कर क्योंकि striking when your back is on the cage is a big no. You are going to get knocked out. And then eventually Sahil rushes in for a takedown, gets a really clean takedown, locks his hand, gets him down. Like इतना ज़्यादा force था उसके shoot का कि बंदा सीधा केज पे गिर गया. But again Sahil he stood up. But Sahil का cut इतना deep था कि doctor came in again and they waved off the fight. He was bleeding very heavy. Again, a very good call by the ref and the judges over there because taking unnecessary damage in the first amateur fight itself is a big no-no, and that too with like 6 months of training. So good call from the refs, and Sahil was pretty much gutted. The team was gutted as well for Sahil. But again, we live today to fight another day, right? So yeah, that was the case. And उसके बाद I think that इतने ही fights थे. So overall, it was a good fight day, and we got like around 3 losses, and I don't know how many wins, but yeah, we got 3 losses. But उसमें कभी Vibhor के लिए I was gutted because he was striking really nice. He could have finished the guy अगर उसका shoulder dislocate नहीं हुआ रहता तो. But overall, yeah, good performance by everyone. Srinath was a bit reckless, so I did expect that from him in striking though, not in grappling. But yeah, he went super crazy, Khamzat Chimaev in the first round itself. And apart from that, let's see. Amrita did not get to fight. It was going to again be her debut, but देखते कैसे होता है. And now we are eager for the next Warrior Dream series. I think it's going to be happening in Pune itself. So hopefully a lot of athletes, fighters from the academy, they will compete. And let's see. We are back to training now. Some few changes in the training regime, but again, the grind remains the same. And yeah, that's it for my first video. There was no script. I was just ऐसे ही बात करे जा रहा था. And hopefully edit में the video will turn out to be good. And I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you.
रश में क्यों था तू?
अरे मैं इधर से उधर गया, आधी को उल्टी आई, भागा वॉशरूम में, इसको उल्टी कराने बाहर है, देखा साहिल भाई की नाक फूट गई, इधर भागा, इधर से देखा इस तरफ तो किसी का हाथ निकल गया है, उधर उनके पास आया, मेरे सबको को उधर उनको ठीक कर रहा हूँ उनका दिमाग को. रश में समझ ही नहीं रहा किसको क्या करूँ भाई. हाँ, फिर अमरजन दीदी को नीचे लेने गया, उधर ओशन वाटर मॉन्स्टर दिख गया, मजा आ गया मुझे.
Find them in that trash bag off the interstate.